decided to do one last video of my snowmobile and my dad's snowmobile. These things haven't been running for almost 2 weeks since we lost the snow, so I figure I'll do a cold start video of them. And I'll start out by starting mine because it's EFI. This one's carbureted. So has ran for, I would have to say, around 16 days. No, more like 18. So turn the kill switch on, keys on, tethers on. This is a 2-pole start machine, so it should start right. Should start right up. Oh. And there we go. Okay, there we go. Now this is my father's machine. Mine's a 1998 Arctic Cat ZR600 EFI Cross Country Edition. And my dad's is a 1998 Arctic Cat ZR500 prototype. So, for a carbureted snowmobile, this thing starts pretty good. Like, most of the time it starts 2 pulls. So, we're going to put the choke on full way. Turn the key on. Kill switch is on. So, this thing should start pretty easy. Usually first or second pull. So here we go. And there we go. First pull. And there we go. Alright, so here's a Skidoo Grand Touring 1998 500. I decided I'll cold start this too. So it's got reverse, it's got electric start. So this thing has ran for a little over a week, so we'll see if it starts. And it's got a primer, so 1, 2, 3. I don't know if the electric start's good on this, but we'll see. Alright, kill switch is up. Here we go. Aw, man, battery's dead. Alright. Kind of wet here, so we'll have to use the pull start. Oh! This is the fastest this thing's ever started up. Uh-oh. That wants to stall. I think it started the quickest ever. When we first brought it to our house, it took me forever to start. But that's the fastest this thing has ever started up. And so, I guess I'll see you guys later.